This right here is a rolling pin that I picked up off of Amazon. Let's go ahead and get this thing out of the packaging and check it out. And this is what it is out of the package. So it does come with this little bag if you were wanting to put it back in here and keep it, I guess, together. It says it's food grade silicone, so it does sound like you can store food grade items in there. Then it has this little card here to tell you how to maintain it. It has the rolling pin itself, of course, and even this cool little holder here. So if you want to leave the rolling pin on the counter, you don't have to worry about it rolling off. That's actually pretty cool. We usually keep these in our drawers, but sometimes you just don't have a drawer big enough to hold this, right? Or it gets all tangled with all the other utensils that are in there. So I like the fact that it comes with that little holder. Now, when it comes to this, nice, smooth, it's got some rounded off edges. Looks like it's got a wire through there. And, this is about how big it is, but yeah, it looks like it's going to roll real smooth too. But this is actually a pretty nice rolling pin, and for the price, I don't think you can beat it. So I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.